guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to roast a lamb leg and we're going to marinate it first for a couple of hours with some butter, fresh herbs, garlic, peppers and Dijon mustard. Let's get started. Our lamb is ready, the whole kitchen smells amazing and I can't wait to eat that beautiful plate of food. I served my lamb with some mashed potatoes. You can do it with some other garnish or other side dish, up to your taste. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.